Hello friends, my name is Ghulam Mustafa from Data Analytics Consulting, and the topic of today's video is how to customize quick access toolbar and how we can customize ribbon. All these are ribbons, and how we can customize our status bar. Now let's dive into the concepts. This is basically the quick access toolbar. What is meant by quick access toolbar? Basically, this is the bar where we can insert our functions or our tools that we use frequently in our daily life or in our daily professional life, so that we may work quickly without wasting any time. Let's say if I want, I know I use, let's say, name manager regularly, that and then I can put into the quick access toolbar. You can say there are option add to quick access toolbar. I can add to there. Likewise, if I use, let's say, the filter option frequently for my daily usage of Microsoft Excel, I can put into the quick access toolbar. Likewise, there is also a drop down menu in the quick access toolbar. There are few options. Let's say if I want to spelling, I can check it. On the other side, if I don't want sort ascending or descending, I can uncheck these two options. By this way, I can customize my quick access toolbar. On the other side, I can change the position of quick access toolbar from top of the ribbon to the bottom of the ribbon. How? Let's see. If we see, there is option show below the ribbon. The quick access toolbar has moved from top to the bottom. Let's see, move into the original position. On the other side, there are two ways. You can click the options from there, or you can move into the ribbon, and you can click the option into the quick access toolbar by simple clicking over there. On the other side, if you need more commands, you can go into the more commands option. The window will be open in front of you, and you can see there are popular commands. You can move into all commands, and you can update your quick access toolbar accordingly. Add over there. Likewise, I'm just picking the random commands from there. Let's say if I want chart title into the quick access toolbar, I will add over there, then press OK. You can see my quick access toolbar has been updated as per my own requirement. And always do customize your worksheets so that you may work quickly. Now if we move into the ribbons, if I click over there, I can customize my ribbon as well. Customize the ribbon. The same window will be open. In this scenario, the main tabs, and I can customize my ribbon as well. Let's say if I want to add any option, calculate now, I can add it into there. He is asking that you add to new group. I will add a new group over there. Then I will add this tool into the ribbon, my ribbon as well. If I click OK, you can see there is a new group. Where it is? There is a new group. This is the new group. Basically, it was inserted into the view tab, and in the view tab there is a new group, and I insert the option calculate now. Moreover, I can add a new tab as well. How can I do it? Go into the customize the ribbon and add a new tab. Now new tab has been opened, and I can customize its name easily. Rename. Let's say if I say customized tools. Okay. Now you can add different options of the, let's say, custom sort or format painter or increase cells, etc. Okay, you can see the new tab has been appeared in your worksheet. Where it is? New tab. Here the tab has been updated. The customized tools means I updated the name as customized tools. Now move into the status bar. If you see the status bar, there are multiple options. Let's say if I see my quantitative variable in my worksheet, I can get average, count, numerical count, minimum, maximum, sum, etc. And you can customize your ribbon as per your own requirement. Let's say if you don't want minimum or maximum or count, let's say, then you can customize your ribbon. You can customize your status bar accordingly. That's the end of today's video, and please give your feedback into the comment section so that I may design or insert the videos as per your own requirement. Thank you very much, friends.